There are over 200 church sexual abuse lawsuits filed, and while more cases continue to surface, steps towards closure in the existing cases are moving forward.
As far as the Boy Scouts, my law firm settled 44 cases against the Boy Scouts, but other lawyers still have pending claims against the Boy Scouts. As concerns the Capuchins, a few of the lawyers have settled a few cases. We've settled none of our Capuchin cases, and we have 47. Total claims against the Boy Scouts, since I reached a settlement in Hawaii 2 weeks ago, I have filed 3 new cases against the Boy Scouts. So I still have 3 new pending cases, which I'm not discussing with them yet because we need to finish the 44.
The ink's still drying. Berman says that he received the settlement paperwork on Thursday and provided the documentation to attorney Patrick Seville with his comments.
I'm meeting one at a time with all 44 clients. I have to meet with them and explain everything to them. I've got another one coming today. I've met with about 15 of them. So I have a lot more work to do. I'm meeting with all my clients to explain these proposed settlements. They have to approve them all. Everyone I've met with so far, 12 or 15 clients, they have all agreed.
But what relief have the victims expressed?
The sense is that there's basically 3 defendants in all my cases: the church, the Boy Scouts, and the Capuchins. So by finishing the Boy Scouts, that puts a third of the whole matter behind them. So there's a small sense of relief. 2 more to go.
Meanwhile, attorney Anthony Perez, who also represents victims in the church sex abuse scandal, has confirmed that several of his clients have settled.
2 Boy Scouts, 10 Capuchins, 1 Sisters.
While how much each victim is receiving as part of the settlement could not be disclosed as a result of the confidentiality agreement, Perez did share that the settlement amounts are different depending on the circumstances. He says the rest of his clients intend on participating in the mediation process. A scheduling conference was held this morning focusing on the claims against the Boy Scouts and Capuchins, and not the church. Berman shared that this is because the church is in bankruptcy, and the only new development in regards to the church is the announcement of the Ninth Circuit Judge Barris in Hawaii offering his assistance with the settlement of cases against the church in the bankruptcy case.
A couple things about the mediators for the Ninth Circuit. 1, they normally don't take cases unless they're on appeal to the Ninth Circuit. And these cases are not on appeal to the Ninth Circuit. I think they see a special human interest aspect to these cases, and they want to voluntarily inject themselves and get involved in a public-spirited sense, is my sense of the situation. Secondly, they're willing to come to GUAM. Other mediators, our last mediators, didn't want to come to GUAM. Too far, too expensive. Thirdly, they proposed to not charge. So that's very important to all of us. So the discussion today was about the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has agreed to send out professional mediators in September to try to help the parties in their possible settlement discussions with the Boy Scouts and the Capuchins, not the church.